Hey everyone, so this was the question which I came across, and this was asked in Berkeley's mini math tournament. Okay, so the question is, if you have two linear function such that f of g of 2022 minus g of f of 2022 is 100, then what can you say about f of g of 2023 minus g of f of 2023? Okay, now here if you try to see, what is f of g of x? This is nothing but composition of two functions, f compose g of x, right? So now let us try to compute f compose g of x and g compose f of x. Okay, so what is given to us? It is given that your f and g are linear functions. So how my f and g will look like? My f of x will be ax plus b, my g of x will be cx plus d, where my a, b, c, d, they all are real numbers. Okay, there's some fixed real numbers. Now what is f of g of x? Let us try to compute this part. So f of, what is g of x? cx plus d. Now what is f of input? It is a times the input plus b, correct? So what I get is acx plus ad plus b. Okay, let me call this as 1. Okay, now we have computed f compose g. Now let us try to compute g compose f. So what is g of f of x? This is g of, what is f of x? It is ax plus b. And what is g of an input? It is c times the input plus d. So what is this? This is cax plus cb plus d. Let me call this as equation 2. Now if I do 1 minus 2, that means f of g of x, where x is any real number, minus g of f of x. What was my equation 1? It was acx plus, it was ad plus b, right? ad plus b minus equation 2, which is cax minus cb minus d. But as you can see, acx gets cancelled. You have ad plus b minus cb minus d, which is nothing but a constant, because all a b c d, they are some fixed real numbers, right? So if you have two linear function, then f compose g minus g compose f is always a constant. So I think now you have got the answer. So this can be any number. So if you know the value of f compose g of x minus g compose f of x, if you know this value at even a one point, then everywhere it will take the same point. So here f of g of 2022 minus this is 100. So everywhere it will take the value 100. So therefore answer for this is also 100. Okay, so there's nothing special about 2023. If I ask you what is the f of g of 10 raised to 6 minus g of f of 10 raised to 6, since the answer is given to be 100 over here, everywhere it will take the value 100. So I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.